Hello students, hello everyone, welcome to One Training Academy. Today we are going to discuss sample paper of CBSE Board 2023. Okay, so yesterday Akshitya ma'am already discussed part A and part D, okay, section A and section D she has already discussed. So today we are going to discuss section B, section C and section E. Okay. So section B, it is of 10 marks and there will be 5 questions, okay. Each question will carry 2 marks and it will be very short answer type questions. So it will be like you can solve this question in 5 to 6 steps. Some question will be little bit more lengthy but it will be short. And this section is like very important section also because it will be easy and you can score good marks in this section. Also in 2 questions you will get option. So there will be option from 5 questions, 2 questions you will get option. So it will be easier for you. So we will do first question. Question 21. So in this question you will get options. So there will be 2 questions. Okay. So first question is what? Find the value of sine inverse sine 13 pi by 7. So we will try it. See this 13 pi by 7, it is little bit less than 2 pi, okay, but it does not exist between 0 to pi. So we can't find direct value. So we will do little bit of change. Okay, we can write sine inverse sine 13 pi by 7. We can write like this 14 pi minus pi divide by 7, okay. 13 pi we can write like 14 pi minus pi. Now we will simplify it more. So sine inverse sine 14 pi by 7. 14 pi by 7 will be 14 by 7 is 2. So 2 pi minus pi by 7, okay. So this becomes sine 2 pi minus pi by 7. Now 2 pi minus pi by 7. So it will be in which quadrant? We will see. Okay, this is the line of 2 pi. So 2 pi minus means it will go to this quadrant. Okay. So here it is all positive S, T, C. So here sign will be negative. Cos will be positive but sign will be negative. So now it will be what? Sine inverse sine 2 pi minus pi by 7. So it will become what? Sign will be negative. So minus sine pi by 7. Okay. So this sine inverse minus x. Okay. It will become what? Minus sine inverse x. So this will become minus sine inverse sine pi by 7. Okay. So sine inverse sine will be cancelled. It will be what? Minus pi by 7. Okay. Sine inverse sine of theta will be what? Theta. So this is the same thing. So this will be minus pi by 7. So answer will be minus pi by 7. Now there is option question also. So we will discuss optional question also. Okay. It's from the chapter function. Okay. Prove that the function is, I will just go to next slide. First see this question properly, okay. This is the answer, minus pi by 7. Now we will move to next question, okay, optional question. So optional question is what? Prove that the function f is surjective, where f is from n to n such that function n is equals to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd and n by 2 if n is even. Then it is asked that if is the function injective, justify your answer. So in short you have to prove that whether it is surjective or not, and then you have to verify whether it is injective or not. Okay. So surjective, what is the meaning of surjective? Surjective, okay. So surjective means onto function, okay, onto function. And injective means what? Injective means one-to-one function, one-to-one. one function. Okay. So how we can prove that this function is onto or not? So whenever function is onto, that means that range will be equals to codomain. Okay, range will be equals to codomain. Then function will be onto. Okay, for onto function, range should be equals to codomain. And for injective function, okay, for injective function, one-to-one function, if fx1 is equals to fx2, then x1 is equals to x2. Okay, this is the condition for one-to-one function. So first we'll check for onto function. Okay, we'll prove that this function is surjective. So what we'll do? Codomain. Codomain will know from this function. We know that what is codomain? Codomain is set of natural number. Okay, this is codomain. So codomain is equals to n. Okay, function is from n to n. That means codomain is n. Also domain is also natural number. Domain is also natural number. Now we have to find range. If range is equals to codomain, then this function will be surjective. So we'll find range. Okay. So we'll take let y belongs to n. We'll take one number, any natural number y. Okay. It belongs to natural number. Then 2y. If you multiply with 2, it will also belong to natural number. It's a common sense. If you take 1, multiply by 2, 2 will be natural number only. So 2y, then every 2y belongs to natural number. Okay. If function is even, okay, n is even, 2y means it will be even number. So if it is even number, then f of 2y will be equals to, put instead of n, put 2y. So 2y by 2. So 2 cancel, it is y. And y belongs to natural number. So range you are getting natural number. Y belongs to natural number. That implies range is equals to natural number. Okay. So codomain is natural number and range is natural number. That means function is surjective. Okay. Function is onto. That means function is surjective. Onto and surjective are same. Okay. Now we have to verify whether it is injective or not. Okay. Is the function injective or not? So injective will take two values of x. So if we take x is equals to 1, okay, x equals to 1, x is equals to 1, then f of 1 will be what? F of 1 is odd number, so we have to put here. So 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 is 1, okay. So f of 1 is 1. If we take x is equals to 2, then f of 2 is what? F of 2 is 2 by 2, okay. 2 is even number, so we will take this one. 2 by 2 is also 1. So we are getting same values for the function, but x values are different. What is the one-to-one function? If you are getting same value for function, x value should also be same. Okay, but here x value is different. So this is not one-to-one function. Okay, so it is not injective. Okay, this function is not injective function. Okay, it is surjective function that we have proved, and it is not injective function. It is not one-to-one function. Okay, easy. Understood everyone? We'll move to next question now. Question 22. A man 1.6 meter tall walks at the rate of 0.3 meter per second away from the straight line that is 4 meter above the ground. At what rate is the tip of his shadow moving? Okay, tip of his shadow moving. Also it is asked that at what rate is his shadow lengthening? Okay, two things are asked, but both are easy. So in this type of question, first we will make diagram. If we make diagram, it will be very easy to understand. So we'll make a diagram, okay. So this is a ground, this is a ground, okay. In this ground there is one street light, this is street light, okay. And there is a man also, this is a man, okay. Street light is 4 meter above, okay. Street light is 4 meter above and man is 1.6 meter, 1.6 meter, okay. We will name it also, this is AB, this is CD, okay. Now there will be shadow because of this street light, there will be shadow, okay. So we will put the shadow also. So we will connect it, okay. This light will be like this, okay. There will be triangle like this will be formed, okay. So this point, okay, CDE, D will be what? Shadow. If light will be like this, then D will be shadow. This person shadow will be D, okay. So now we will take, let distance between this straight light and man, distance between straight light and man Bx, okay, Bx. So this distance BD is what? X. We have assumed that this distance BD is X, okay, Bx. Also we have assumed that this shadow length is what? Y. We will assume that this shadow length is Y. So let shadow length be Y, okay. Now here what is given? A man walks at the rate of 0.3 meters second away from the street light. So this man is walking away from the street light. So this x is increasing. If time is increasing, then x will be increasing. Man is here, then it will be here, here. So dx by dt will be what? It will be speed 0.3, okay. Dx by dt is equals to 0.3. It is given in the question, okay. What is asked? At what rate is the tip of his shadow moving? Tip of his shadow moving. So at what rate this tip is moving? We have to find this tip is moving. So it will be what? Dx by dt plus rate of this and rate of this. So we have to find, what we have to find? Dx by dt plus dy by dt, okay. It will be the rate at which its shadow tip is moving, okay. And what other thing we have to find? At what rate is his shadow lengthening? So we have to find dy by dt, shadow length is what? Dy, sorry, shadow length is y. So we have to find the rate of this shadow lengthening. So we have to find dy by dt also, dy by dt also we have to find, okay. These two things we have to find, okay. So now we will solve this question. See from the diagram, okay. See from the diagram, there are two triangles formed, okay. These two triangles ABE and CDE, these two triangles are similar triangle. From the figure you can easily make out, okay. So these two triangles are similar triangle, then sides will be in ratio, okay. Sides will be in proportion, so it will be in ratio. So we will take two sides CD. CD will be in proportional to AB. So CD by AB will be equals to, CD you have taken, so we will take ED now, ED by EB, okay. Two sides are in proportional. So from this, CD is what? CD is 1.6, AB is 4 meter, okay, so 4. ED is Y. EB will be what? we have to find EB. So EB will be what? Y plus x or x plus y you can write. Okay. So we got this relation. From this relation we will find y value. Okay. So y will be what? So this will be multiplied, we will do cross multiplication. So 1.6x plus 1.6y is equals to 4y. Okay. That implies this will go to this side, 1.65 will go to this side. So 1.6x is equals to 4y minus 1.6y. Okay. 4 minus 1.6 will be 2.4. So 1.6x is equals to 2.4y. So y will be equals to what? 1.6 upon 2.4x. Okay. So 1.6, 2.4. So 0.8 multiplied by 3 is 2.4 and 0.8 multiplied by 2 is 1.6. So what we got? Y is equals to, we got that y is equals to 2 by 3x. Okay. This relation we got. Okay. Now we will differentiate this equation with respect to t. If we differentiate this relation with respect to t, I will just erase the figure. Okay. I will erase the figure. So we get more space. Okay. So this equation will put as number 1. So differentiating equation 1 with respect to t. Okay, we will differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Okay. So if we differentiate y with respect to t, it will be dy by dt. Constant is in multiplication, so it will be as it is 2 by 3 dx by dt. Now dx by dt is given in the question. Okay, dx by dt is what? 0.3. So we will put the value. So dy by dt is equals to 2 by 3 into 0.3. Okay, now it's easy. 0.3 tens are is 3. Okay. So what we got? Dy by dt is equals to 2 by 10, which is equals to 0.2. Okay. So dy by dt we got 0.2. This we got. Okay. Dy by dt. Now we have to find dx by dt. Dx by dt plus dy by dt. Okay. So dx by dt is 0.3 plus dy by dt is 0.2. So it will be 0.5. Okay. So both rate we got. Okay. Dy by dt means at rate his shadow lengthening. His shadow lengthening is what? 0.2. Okay. 0.2. And at what rate is his tip of his shadow moving? Tip is moving at the rate 0.5. Okay. This. So we got both the answer. It's easy. See properly this question. Now we'll move to next question. In this question also there is option given. Okay. There are 2 questions and both questions are easy. Both questions are easy. A is equals to, there are 2 vectors, A is equals to I minus j k plus 7k. B is given. Okay. Then find the value of lambda so that the vectors A plus B, A minus B are orthogonal. Okay. Orthogonal matlab 90 degrees are perpendicular to each other. So if the 2 vectors are orthogonal, then their dot product will be equals to 0. So we will find the dot product. Okay. A plus B and A minus B vector are orthogonal. That means A bar plus B dot product will be equals to 0, okay. Dot product will be equals to 0, because whenever dot product is there, it will be what? Into cos 90, okay. A magnitude, B magnitude into cos 90, and cos 90 is what? 0. So dot product will be equals to 0. So first we will find A plus B, okay. A plus B vector, A minus B vector we will find, and then we will find dot product, okay. We will equate with 0. So A plus B vector, we will add this A and B. So I plus 5I will be what? 6I. 6I. Minus J will be minus 2J cap. Then 7 plus lambda K cap plus 7 plus lambda K cap, okay. This will be A plus B vector. Now A minus B, I minus 5I will be minus 4I. Minus J, minus will be plus, so minus J plus J will be 0, 0J plus 7 minus lambda, okay. A minus B we are finding now, so it will be 7 minus lambda K. Now we will do dot product, okay. Dot product will be equals to 0 because they are orthogonal. So dot product will be equals to 0. So 6I minus 2J plus 7 plus lambda K dot product with minus 4I plus 0J plus 7 minus lambda K, okay. So we will do multiplication. 6 into minus 4 will be minus 24, okay, minus 24. Minus 2 into 0 will be 0 only. 7 plus lambda into 7 minus lambda, okay. So plus 7 plus lambda into 7 minus lambda, okay. It will be equals to what? 0, okay. It will be equals to 0. Dot product will be equals to 0. So we will equate with 0. So what we will got? Minus 24 plus 7 plus lambda, 7 minus lambda. This is what? A plus B, A minus B form. So it will be 49, 7 square is 49 minus lambda square is equals to 0, okay. So minus 24 plus 49 will be minus, it will be plus 25, okay. So 25 minus lambda square is equals to 0. So what we got? 25 is equals to lambda square. So lambda will be equals to plus minus 5. Root of 25 is what? Plus minus 5. Okay. So lambda value we got plus minus 5. That only we have to find. Okay. Find the value of lambda. So we got answer as lambda is equals to plus minus 5. Okay. So this is also 2 marks question. See, there are how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. In 6 steps you can easily solve it. We will do optional question also. Optional question is also easy. Okay. What we have to find? Find the direction ratio and direction cosines of the line parallel to the line whose equation are 6x minus 12 is equals to 3y plus 9 is equals to 2z minus 2. So we will put this line in standard form. This equation of line in standard form we will put. Okay. So first we will put this in standard form. If you put in standard form, na, you will get 1 mark for standard form also. So we will put in standard form. So standard form is what? How we can put 6x minus 12 is equals to, okay, so what we will do? We will take 6 common, okay, from this. 6 will take common. So this will become what? 6x minus 2, okay, is equals to 3 will take common, y plus 3, okay, is equals to 2 will take common z minus 1. Okay. Now what we will do? This 6 will put in denominator. If we put it in denominator, it will be what? If 6 will shift to denominator, it will become 1 by 6. Okay. So this x minus 2 upon 1 by 6. Okay. Is equals to y plus 3, 1 by 3 is equals to z minus 1 by 1 by 2. Okay. So direction ratio will find easily. It will be what? Ds will be what? Direction ratios will be what? 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2. Okay. Direction ratios will be 1 by 6, comma 1 by 3, comma 1 by 2. Okay. Also we will put in different way. How we can put? We can multiply with LCM. So you can put like this also. We will multiply with 6 every time. So 1 into 6 will be what? 2 into 6 will be 3. Okay. So you can put like this 1, 2, 3 also you can put. Direction cosines. Okay. Direction cosines will find. So this will become what? We have to just divide magnitude. So magnitude will be what? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay. Upon 2, 1 square plus 2 square, 2 square plus 3 square. 3 divided by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Okay. So we will divide magnitude. So it will become what? It will become 1 upon 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 square is 9. So 5 plus 9 is 14. So it will become 1 by 14, 1 by root 14. Okay. 2 by root 14 and 3 by root 14. So this will be direction cosines. Okay. So this is also easy. You just have to put in standard form, then it will be very easy. Direction ratios and cosines. After this we will do next question. If you want to take screenshot, you can take screenshot also. We will do 24th question. Okay. What we have to prove? If y square root of 1 minus x square plus x square root of 1 minus y square is equals to 1, then prove that dy by dx is equals to minus square root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. See, here this differentiation is little bit difficult because of this root. Okay. So we will try to remove this root. So how we can try, remove this root? By assuming some value. Okay. So if we assume x as cos A or cos B, then it will be what? Or sine also we can assume. So 1 minus sine square A will be what? Cos square A, and it will be cos A. So we will do assumption. Okay. So let x is equals to sine A. We will take sine A. X is equals to sine A and y is equals to sine B. You can take cos A, cos B also. Same thing you will get. So now we will put the values. So y1 minus x square plus x1 minus y square is equals to 1 is given. Okay. So we will put the values. Instead of x we will put sine A and instead of y we will put sine B. So y is sine B. So sine B 1 minus sine square A. Okay. X is what? Sine A. So 1 minus sine square A plus x is sine A into 1 minus y square. 1 minus y square means what? 1 minus sine square B. Okay. Y is sine B. So sine square B is equals to 1. This thing is given. So we will simplify this equation. Okay. So sine B 1 minus sine square A will be what? Cos square A, and it is under square root. So we can put cos A. Okay. 1 minus sine square a will be cos square a, but under square root it is, so cos a, plus sine a, 1 minus sine square b is what? Cos square b, but it is under square root, so it will be cos b is equals to 1. Now see this, sin b cos a plus sin a cos b. Are you remembering something? This is the formula of what? Sin a plus b. Okay, sin a plus b is what? Sin a plus b is sin a cos b, which is here, sin b cos a, which is here. Okay, so we can write this as sin a plus b is equals to 1. Okay, now a plus b value we have to find. Okay, so what is the angle where sine is 1? So sine is 1 at 90 degree. Okay, so sine pi by 2 is 1. We know that sine pi by 2 is 1. So a plus b is equals to what? Pi by 2. A plus b is equals to pi by 2. Okay, this is our equation 1. Now this equation 1 will, okay, now equation 1 will differentiate. So a is what? X is equals to sin a. So a will be sin inverse x. Okay, a plus b is equals to pi by 2. So a will be equals to, from this a value we can find a is equals to sin inverse x, and b will be equals to sin inverse y. Okay, so we'll put the value of a is sin inverse x plus b is sin inverse y is equals to pi by 2. Okay, now we'll differentiate it. Okay, so we'll differentiate with respect to x. So whenever we'll differentiate with respect to x, sin inverse x will be what? 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Okay, now this sin inverse y also will differentiate with respect to x. So what we'll do, first we'll differentiate, okay, and then it will multiply with dy by dx. So sin inverse y will be what? 1 minus y square. Okay, differentiate with respect to y, then we'll put dy by dx is equals to pi by 2. If we differentiate constant, it will be equals to 0. It will be equals to 0. So we got this. Now we will find dy by dx from this equation. So 1 upon root 1 minus x square is equals to minus, this will put in other side, so it will become minus 1 upon root 1 minus y square dy by dx. Okay, so dy by dx is on this side, we have to find dy by dx. This we don't want, so we will shift here now. So it will be in multiplication, minus will also go here, so minus 1 minus y square upon root of 1 minus x square is equals to dy by dx. Okay, so this is, see, we got the same thing, dy by dx is equals to minus root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So thus proved. This was little bit difficult question. In this section, this was the little bit difficult question. As per 2 marks, it was little bit difficult. Okay. Otherwise, it's easy only. This kind of question, maybe in your paper, they will ask in 3 marks. We'll do another question now. 25. Okay, question 25. What we have to find? Find magnitude of vector x if x minus a into, dot product of x minus a and x plus a is 12, where a is a unit vector. Okay, a is a unit vector. Unit vector means its magnitude will be what? Whenever unit vector is given, its magnitude will be 1. Okay, that's why it is called unit vector. Now what is given? X minus a, x plus a, dot product is 12. Okay, so we'll simplify this thing. vector x minus vector a dot product x plus vector a is equals to 12. Okay, we'll find the dot product. So x will multiply with x dot x plus what will happen, minus a dot x, okay, plus x vector dot a plus a vector dot a, okay, is equals to 12. It is given. So x dot x will be mod of x whole square. This will be cancelled, okay, this will be cancelled, minus and plus is there, plus this will become what, okay, this is minus a, instead of plus this will be minus, okay, this is minus, we got minus mod a square is equals to 12. Now magnitude of a is given, it is what, 1, magnitude of a vector is 1. So we will put here, so x vector whole square minus 1 is equals to 12. So this will become what, minus 1 will go to other side, it will be 12 plus 1, 30, okay. We have to find the magnitude of x vector, here it is square, so we will do square root. So if we do square root, it will be root 30, okay. So this we got the answer, okay. So magnitude of x vector is root 13. This is the easiest question, okay. This is easy question. See how many steps, 4-5 steps is there, okay, and you got the answer. Understood? So this was the last question of section B, okay. Now we start section C. So section C is of 18 marks and there will be 6 questions, 3 marks each, okay. So this section comprises of short answer type question of 3 marks each, okay. So each question will be of 3 marks and there will be total 6 questions. So in these 6 questions, 3 questions will be in option. So in 3 questions you will get option also. So first question is of integration, okay. This question is also easy, but you have to do little bit of adjustment, okay. If you do adjustment, then it will be very easy. So how will you do adjustment? See. Dx, okay. Here it is given what? Root of 3 minus 2x minus x square, okay. We can put this in form of this a square minus x square, okay. If we put in this form, do you know the formula? What is the formula of integration 1 upon a square, root of a square minus x square? It is what? It is sine inverse x by a, okay. This is the formula. So we will use this formula, okay. We will use this formula in this question. So we will put this question in the form of root a square minus x square. So 3 is not a perfect square. So what is perfect square? 4 is perfect square. So instead of 3 we can write 4 minus 1, okay. So instead of 3 we will write 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. Instead of 3 we are writing 4 minus 1 minus 2x minus x square, okay. We can do this, instead of 3 we can write 4 minus 1, okay. It is easy. Now what we will do? We got this as perfect square, okay. 4 is what? 2 square. So a square we got, in this a square we got 2 square. Minus, now minus will take common and will, so minus we have taken common, so minus 1, so what is left? 1 minus 2x, so it will become plus 2x because minus we have taken common, minus x square will become plus x square, okay. This is under root, okay. Now see this properly. 1 plus 2x plus x square. It is also perfect square. 1 plus 2x. 1 plus 2x plus x square. It is perfect square of x plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square is what? X square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, this thing we can write like this. So, what will write? Dx 2 square minus, this is what? X plus 1 whole square. X plus 1 whole square. Okay. So, we got this integration in form of a square minus x square form. Okay. So, we will use this formula. So, this will become what? This will become sine inverse. Okay. X is what? Here instead of x, here it is what? X plus 1. So, instead of x we will write x plus 1. Okay. Instead of x square, here it is x plus 1 square. So, here also we will write x plus 1 upon sine inverse x by a. Na? So, a is what? A is here 2 square. A square is 2 square. So, a is 2. So, this is the answer. Sine inverse x plus 1 by 2. Okay. This is the answer. Easy question. Very easy question for 3 marks. For 3 marks, it is very easy question. Only 4 or 5 steps is there. And we have to add constant also, okay. Integration constant also we have to add. So, plus c. Whenever we are writing answer, na, plus c also we have to write. So, this is the answer of this question. We move to next question. Now, see this question. Probability questions are little bit difficult, okay. But if you understand, na, it will be easy. So, we will read the question. 3 friends go for coffee. They decide who will pay the bill by each tossing a coin and then letting the odd person pay. Odd person means what? See, if there are 3 person. So, if first person got H, second person got H and third person got tail. So, which one is odd? This third person is odd. So, this person will pay the bill, okay. This is decided. There is no odd person. If all 3 person got head or all 3 person got tail, so there is no odd person. All are getting same thing, okay. So, there is no odd person. Then what they will do? If all 3 produce the same result, if there is no odd person in the first round, they make a second round, okay. They will do second round and they continue to do until there is an odd person. So, this will be continued until there is an odd person. What is the probability that exactly 3 rounds of tosses are made? 3 rounds of tosses are made. So, in first and second round, there is no odd person and in third round, there is an odd person, okay. So, we have to find the probability of that. So, first what we will do, we will find the probability, okay. We will find the probability of not having odd person. Probability of not having odd person, because in first and second round, there is no odd person, okay. So, we will find the probability of having no odd person, in one round, okay. In one round, in single round, okay. So, having no odd person means either probability we have to find for all of 3 are getting head, okay. All of 3 are getting head or all are getting tail, all 3 are getting tail, okay. So, if all are getting head, so what is the probability of head is 1 by 2, okay. Second person is also getting head, so into 1 by 2. Third person is also getting head, so into 1 by 2, okay. So, all 3 persons are getting head. It will be 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now, all 3 persons are getting tail. So, first person is getting tail, what is the probability? 1 by 2. Second person is getting tail, 1 by 2, again 1 by 2. Okay. So what we got the answer? This will 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8. So this will become 2 by 8, which is 1 by 4. Okay. So probability having no odd person in single round will be 1 by 4. Now probability of having odd person, because in third round there is odd person, na? So we have to find probability of having odd person too. So probability having odd person in a round is what? So you can see it is a complementary event of this having no odd person, and this is what? Probability of having odd person. So whenever there is complementary events, what is the formula? P, this you have studied in 10th class also. If there is x bar is complementary event, then it will be what? 1 minus p of x. Okay. So this will become what? 1 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, which is 3 by 4. Okay. So we found the probability of having no odd person, also we have found the probability of having odd person. Now we have to find the answer. Okay. So what is the question? We have to find the probability such that there are 3 rounds, there are total 3 rounds. So what we will find in probability? Probability is what? No odd person in single round, okay, into how will find? No odd person, okay, no odd person in single round, into probability of, for second round also there is no odd person, okay, into probability of having odd person, okay, of having odd person, okay. So this will become what? 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 4, okay. So it will be 1 into 1 into 1, 1 into 1 into 3 is 3, 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 4 is 64. So answer we got 3 by 64, okay. So answer is 3 by 64. Understood everyone? Answer is 3 by 64. It was little bit difficult version. We'll do optional question also. In optional question, this optional question is of random variable, okay. So optional question is also easy only. Find the mean number of defective items, okay. So mean number is what? Mean is, whenever we have to find mean, it will be what? It is summation of pi xi, okay. Mean is equals to summation of pi xi. So what we will do, we will first assume random variable, okay. So let x denote the random variable by, now random variable what we have to find? See, defective items in a sample of 2 items, okay. So we have to find for defective items, okay. So we will denote x as a defective items, okay. So by number of defective item, by number of defective item, okay. Now for what we have to find the mean, we will read the question properly, okay. 2 items drawn 1 by 1 without replacement, okay. It is drawn 1 by 1 without replacement from an urn containing 6 items. So there is an urn containing 6 items. 2 are defective, 4 are good. Okay, 4 are good items. Assume that items are identical in shape and size. Okay. So first we'll find probability. Okay, find probability of selecting 0 defective item. Okay, x is equals to 0. There are, if we are selecting 2 items one by one, there are 0 defective item. Okay, so we'll find for 0 defective item. So for that, first item will quick. Okay, so first item will be also good and second item will be also good. So first item, if we select, it will be good. So what will be the probability of selecting good item? So there are how many items which are good? 4. Okay, so 4. Total items is 6. So 4 into 6. So first we have selected. Okay, probability of first is done. Now second item we are selecting. So that should be also good. But now we are not doing replacement. So now in this bag there are 3 items which are good. So 3 items are good. 1 we have already removed, so 3 are left. And how many total items are left? 1 we have already selected. So total there are 5 items. Okay, instead of 6 there are 5 items because 1 we have already selected. So this is the probability. So 4 into 3 is 12, 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, so answer is 12 by 30. Now we will find probability if there is one item which is defective. Okay, probability of selecting one item which is defective. So for first item it can be, see we are selecting 2 items. Okay, one should be defective, one should be good. So first item will be defective, second item will be good. Okay, or first item will be good, second item will be defective. There are 2 options. Okay, so we'll do for this. First item is defective. So total there are 2 items. Okay, first it is defective. So 2 by 6, total there are 6 items. From that 2 are defective. Now we are selecting good. Okay, one defective we have already selected. Now we will select good. So good, how many items are good? 4. Okay, but total item left is 5 because 1 we have already selected. Okay, plus now there is another way of selecting. First is good and second is defective. So first is good. So there are 4 items which are good out of 6. Now second is defective. So 2 items out of 5. Okay, because 1 we have selected. So what is the answer? 2 4s are 8. 8 by 6 into 5, 30. 8 by 30 plus 8 by 30. So it will be 16 by 30. 16 by 30. Okay. Now we will find P, x is equals to 2. Now we are selecting 2 items and both are defective. Okay, both are defective. So how many defective items are there? 2. So first we have selected defective, 2 by 6. Now another item we are selecting which is also defective. So how many defective items is left in this bag? 1. 1 already selected. And total items is 5. Okay, 5 items are left. So 1 by 5. So what is the answer? 2 by 30. Okay, 2 by 30. Now we have to find the mean. Mean is what? Pi into xi, summation of pi into xi. So we'll make a table, then it will be easy. Okay, xi table, pi table and pi xi, and then we will find summation. Okay, we'll make a table. So if xi is 0, x value is 0, what is the value of p? 12 by 30. Okay, 12 by 30. So pi xi will be 0. 0 into 12 by 30 will be 0. Okay, if x is equals to 1, what is probability? 16 by 30. And pi xi will be what? 16 by 30. 1 into 16 by 30 is 16 by 30. Now if x value is 2, what is probability? 2 by 30. Okay, 2 pi xi will be what? 2 into 2 by 30 will be 4 by 30. 4 by 30. Now we have to find summation pi xi. Okay, we have to find mean. Mean is what? Summation of pi xi. Okay, so it is what? We'll do summation of this row. Okay, so 0 plus 16 by 30 plus 4 by 30. So it will become 16 plus 4, 20, 20 by 30. So it will be 2 by 3. So mean is equals to 2 by 3. Answer of this is what? Mean is equals to 2 by 3. Okay. For 3 marks it's easy. Okay. First one was little bit difficult. This was easy. If you know the formula of mean. Okay, we'll do next question now. 28th question. In 28th question also there are 2 questions which are in option. Okay, so you can do any one question. Both are from definite integration. Okay, and both questions are easy. Both questions are easy. Okay, so first we'll do. So in first question, what we'll do now? We'll use this. You know that integration a to b f of x d of x is equals to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x, okay, dx. This thing we know, okay, this thing we know. So we'll use this in this first question. Okay, first we'll simplify a little bit and then we'll use this. So question is what? Pi by 6 pi by 3 dx 1 plus root 10x. Okay, so we'll do little bit of simplification. We'll convert this question in form of sine and cos. So instead of 10x we'll write sin x by cos x. Okay, so this will become what? Integration pi by 6 pi by 3 dx 1 plus root of sin x by cos x. Okay, we'll do LCM now. So this will become what? Pi by 6 pi by 3 dx. This root of, after taking LCM, this denominator will be in numerator. So root of cos x will be in numerator, and in denominator it will be what? Cos x. Root of cos x into 1 will be root of cos x. So root of cos x plus root of sin x. Okay, now we'll use this formula. Okay, now we'll use this formula. We'll assume this as I. Okay, we'll assume this as I. Sorry. Okay, so we'll assume this as I. What happened? I'll write here. Okay, we'll assume this as I. And we'll put as equation 1. Okay, this is I. Now we use this formula. So this one will be equals to f of a plus b minus x. Okay, so I will be equals to, and limits will not be changed, pi by 6 from pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx root cos, instead of x now it will be what? A plus b minus x. A plus b minus x means pi by 6 plus pi by 3, pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Okay, upon same thing in denominator, cos pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x plus root of sin x. So sin pi by 3 pi by 6 plus pi by 3 minus x. Okay. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is what? Pi by 2. Pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is what? Pi by 2. And pi by 2 minus x, cos pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin x. Okay. So I will be what? Pi by 3 into pi by 6 dx. This will become what? Pi by 2 minus x. Cos pi by 2 minus x is what? Sin x. So this will become sin x. Okay. Upon cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x, root sin x. Plus sin pi by 2 minus x will be cos x. So root cos x. Okay. This will name it as equation 2. Okay. Now we'll add equation 1 and equation 2. So see, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, numerator will be what? Root cos x plus root sin x, and denominator is also root cos x plus root sin x. So if we add for 1 plus 2, I plus I will become 2i, and this will become what? Pi by 6, say pi by 3. Now root cos x plus root sin x divided by root cos x plus sin x. Numerator and denominator will be cancelled and it will be equals to 1 dx. Okay. Now it's very easy. Integration of 1 is x, pi by 3, pi by 6. Okay. So this will become what? Pi by 3 minus pi by 6, which is equals to pi by 6. So 2i we got pi by 6. Okay. 2i we got pi by 6. 2i we got pi by 6. So I will become what? Pi by 12. I will become pi by 12. Okay. So answer of this, this is integration I will become pi by 12. Okay. So answer will be pi by 12. Okay. You have to write step by step. I have written little bit directly, but you have to write step by step. Okay. It will be cancelled and then you put 1, then find the integration and it will be 2i will become pi by 6. This will be 2i. Okay. So you have to find the value of I will become pi by 12. Okay. So this is also easy question. Second one is more, this optional question is more easier. Okay. We will do optional question also. If you want to see this question, you can take the screenshot. Okay, now you see option question. Zero to 4 mod x minus 1 dx. Okay. Mode function we have done in 11th class also. Okay. So if function is mode of x minus 1. Okay. First I will write. F of x is what? Mode of x minus 1. That means what? That means, we'll just rough it. Okay. Mode of x minus 1 means what? It will become like this. We can write like this. F of x is equals to, it will become minus x minus 1. This will become negative if x is less than 1. If x is less than 1, this will become negative. Okay, less than 1. And if it is positive, it will remain positive if, this will remain positive is x is greater than 1. Okay, x is greater than 1. We can write this as this. Okay, f of x is mode of x minus 1. Mode of x minus 1 we can write like this. Okay. So now we got two different values for mode of x minus 1. So we'll put in parts. Okay. So 0 to 4 mode of x minus 1 dx is equals to 0 from 0 to 1. Okay, less than 1 means 0 to 1. For less than 1 function is what? Minus of x minus 1. Minus of x minus 1. Okay. Dx. For greater than 1, so 1 to 4, it will be positive x plus, sorry, x minus 1. it will be x minus 1 dx. Okay. So we will find the integration. This will become what? This will become minus x square by 2. Minus minus will become plus 1. Okay. So integration of 1 is x. So plus x. It is from 0 to 1. Plus this will become what? X square minus x square by 2 minus x 4 to 1. Okay. We will solve it. So this will put 1 first. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1. If we put 0, then it will be 0 only. This will become 0, 0. So no need to put 0. Okay, because value will be 0 only. Plus now we'll put 4. So 4 square is 16 by 2 minus 4. Now we'll put 1. So minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So this will become what? Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus 16 by 2 is what? 4. Okay. Sorry, 16 by 2 is 8. 8 minus 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay. So we'll put 8 minus 4 is what? 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 is minus 1. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. You can do the calculation however you want. Okay. So answer will be 5. Answer is 5. For this answer is 5. Okay. Answer is 5 for second question. Second question was more easy. Okay. This question you can easily solve. We'll do next question now. Solve in this question also you are getting option. Okay, both the questions are from differential equation. Solve the differential equation y dx plus x minus y square dy is equals to 0. So you can easily figure out that this is linear equation. Okay, so we'll put it in linear equation form. Okay, so this we can convert y dx plus x minus y square dy is equals to 0. We can write in this form. Okay, we can write in this form dx by dy plus p into x is equals to q. Okay, this form we can write. This is the linear equation, linear differential equation. So we can write this equation in this form. So we'll try to make this differential equation in this form. Okay, so y, it will become what? Y dx is equals to this term will move to this side. Okay, so this will be minus x minus y square dy. Okay, so this will become what? Y dx is equals to minus, this y also will shift from this, y also will shift. So this will become what? Minus x by y minus y square by y dy. Okay, so now this will become what? Dx is equals to, also we want dx by dy, so dy also will move here. Okay, dx by dy will move here. It will be what? Minus x by y plus, minus minus will become plus, y square by y, y square by y will be y only. Okay, so this equation now we can write easily, dx by dy is equals to, sorry, this term minus xy will put in the, will shift this in this side. Okay, so this equation will become what? Dx by dy plus x by y is equals to y. Okay, this equation we got. This is in linear form. Now you can easily do. This is in linear form, same as this equation. Okay, so if you compare this equation and this equation, p is equals to what? P is equals to y and q is equals to also y. Okay, P is equals to Y and Q is equals to Y. So first we'll find integrating factor. Okay, integrating factor will find IF. IF is what? E raised to integration of P dx. Okay, dy, sorry, dy. So P is what? P is Y. Okay, so integration. Sorry, P is what? 1 by Y. Okay, 1 by Y. P is 1 by Y. Okay. P into X na. So if you compare, P is what? 1 by Y and Q is Y only. So this will be what? 1 by Y dy. Okay. So integration of 1 by Y is what? Log Y. So it is log Y. Okay. And base will be E. Okay. Base will be E. So if base E is E, so this will become what? This will be cancelled. It will be Y only. So integrating factor is Y. Okay. You know that E raised to log E and something is there, anything is there, K, it will be what? This will be cancelled and answer will be K. Okay. So integrating factor we got Y. Okay. Now we will find general solution. So general solution is what? General solution will be X into integrating factor. X into integrating factor is equals to integration of Q into integrating factor. Okay. So X into integrating factor is Y. So X into Y is equals to integration of Q. Q is what? Y. Integrating factor is Y. So it will be here dy also. Y square. Okay. Y into Y will be y square dy. We will do integration. So it will be what? X y is equals to y square. Integration of y square will be y cube by 3 plus c. Okay, so this will be answer. This is answer. Understood? It's easy. Now we'll do this optional question. Solve the differential equation x dy minus y dx is equals to x square plus y square dx. Okay. So this is of homogeneous type, you can see. We'll do next question now. Optional question. Okay. This one we'll do. So this is homogeneous differential equation. So we'll put in that way. Okay. So what we can do now? X dy is equals to, we'll shift this term will shift to this side. Okay. So x dy will become what? Root of x square plus y square dx plus y dx. Okay. Now dx you can take common and shift to this side. So if you shift to this side, dy by dx into x will become what? Root of x square plus y square plus y. Okay. Now x will shift, this x also will shift to this side. So dy by dx is equals to, this become what? X square plus y square upon x plus y by x. So dy by dx is equals to, if this x will put in this root, it will become x square. Okay. So it will be like this, x square by x square. We are putting under root, that's why it will become x square plus y square upon x square plus y by x. Okay. So what we got? Dy by dx is equals to, x square by x square is 1. So 1 plus y by x whole square plus y by x. Okay. So now what we will do? We'll assume y by x. Now this is in homogeneous form. Okay. So we'll assume y by x as v. So v is equals to y by x. V is equals to y by x. So y will become y will become Vx, y is equals to, if v is equals to y by x, y will be equals to v into x, okay. So, if dy by dx will be what? Dy by dx, we are differentiating with respect to x. So, here we will apply product rule, so this will become x into dv by dx, first we will do differentiation of v and x will put as constant, plus now we will put v as constant and differentiation of x with respect to x. So, it will be 1 only. So, this we got, okay. So, dy by dx we got as x dv by dx plus v. So, we will put everything, this all this thing, y by x as v and dy by dx as this, okay. So, dy by dx we got x, now we will put in this equation, okay, in this differential equation we will put. So, dy by dx we got as x dv by dx plus v is equals to, now this will become what? 1 plus y by x whole square. Y by x whole square means v square, y by x we have assumed as v. So, v square plus v, okay. On both the sides there is v. So, v will be cancelled. So, what is left? X dv by dx is equals to root of 1 plus v square, okay. This we got. So, now we will convert this in differential equation, okay. V term will be on one side and x terms will be on one side. So, dv upon root of 1 plus v square, and in this side dx upon x, okay, we got this. Now, we will do integration on both the side. So, integration will put on both the side, okay. Now, it is so easy, dv by root of 1 plus v square. So, root of 1 plus v square, it is what? Integration of root of 1 plus v square is what? So, we will do integration, you just see this, then I will draw this side, okay. You can take screenshot, then I will draw this side, okay. 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 So, integration of dv by 1 plus v root of 1 plus v square will be what? Log v plus root of 1 plus v square, okay. And it will be in mode. Integration of 1 by x, we know it is log x, log x. We will take one constant also. So, whenever log is there in this differential equation and we are taking constant, we can take in terms of log also. So, we will take constant in terms of log. So, log c we will take, okay, log c. So, now this we have solved. Now, we do not want answer in form of v, okay. So, what we will do? We will replace v. We have assumed v as what? Y by x. So, we will put back the value of v. So, v is what? Log y by x plus root 1 plus y by x whole square, okay, is equals to log mod x plus log c, okay. This also you can simplify more. If you simplify more, na, it will be what? Log y plus x square plus y square, okay. We will do LCM, minus log x plus log, sorry, is equals to log x, is equals to log x plus log c. Okay. So this minus will shift to this side, it will be plus. So it will be what? Log y plus x square plus y square, okay, is equals to log, if we shift this side, it will be what? 2 log x, okay, 2 log x we can write as log x square also. So it will become log x square plus log c, plus log c. So it will be also in multiplication. So c x square we can write, log c of x square, okay, c of x square. So log we will remove on both the side. So what was left? Y plus root of x square plus y square is equals to c x square, okay. This is the answer. So this is the answer. So this is homogeneous differential equation, and whenever there is homogeneous differential equation, we have to assume it will be always in function of y by x. So we have to assume y by x as v. We can solve like this, okay. We will do now another question, question number 30. Okay. Solve the following linear programming problem LPP graphically. Okay, we have to solve this LPP graphically. X plus y is less than equals to 200, x is less than 40, x is greater than 20, y is greater than equals to 0. So first we will do graph, we will make the graph, okay. We will make the graph. Okay. X plus y is equals to 200. First we will make a line of x plus y is equals to 200, okay. X plus y is equals to 200, okay. Other line will make x is equals to, instead of inequality sign now we will put equals to sign first and then we will make the graph. So x is equals to 40 will make, then x is equals to 20 will make, okay, we will make the graph of these 3 lines. X plus y is equals to 200. So x plus y is equals to 200. If we put x is equals to 0, then y will become what? 200. So here it will be, if x is 0, then y is equals to 200. We will get this point, okay, 200 point. And if we put y is equals to 0, then on x axis we will get 200. So x is equals to 200, okay. Like this we got one line. Now x is equals to 40 and x is equals to 20. So this both line will be perpendicular to y axis, okay. So this is 20, this is 40, then this is like this, perpendicular to x axis, okay, and parallel to y axis, okay. Now we will see the region. So x is what? X is less than 40. What is given? X is less than 40. Less than 40 means this side, okay. X is greater than 20 means this side, okay. And x plus y is less than 200 means this downward side, okay. So we got this region, So once we get the region, we have to see the corner points. So corner points are what? We'll name it A, B, C and D, okay. So C and D points are easy. C point is what? C point is 20, 0, okay. D point is 40, 0. But A and B point we'll see. So in A point x is 20. In A point x is 20. Why we don't know. But we know that this point is on this line this line x plus y is equals to 200. So if x is equals to 20, x plus y is equals to 200, okay. If x is 20, then what will be the value of y? Y value will be 180. Okay, y value will be 180. So if x is 20, y value will be 180. For B point now we'll see. B point we know x is 40. We have to find y. So B point is also on this line, x plus y is equals to 200. So if x is 40, what will be the value of y? We have to find. So y value will be what? Y is equals to 200 minus 40. It is 160. Okay, 160. Now we got this 4 corner points. Now we have to see that on which point we are getting maximum value. We have to find maximum, maximize x, maximize z is equals to 400x plus 300y. So on which point we are getting maximum value, we'll see. Okay, in which point we are getting maximum value of z, we'll see that. Okay, so first we'll put a, we'll make a table. We'll make a table. So first is 20, 180. Value of z will be what? Z is 400x. So 400 into 20 plus 180, 300 into 180. 300 into 180. Okay. So 400 into 20, 4 2s are 8, 8000. Okay. Plus 300 into 18. So it will be 18 3s are 54, 54,000. Okay. So 54 plus 8, 54 plus 8 will be 62. So this will become 6200. Oh, sorry, 62,000 because there are 3 zeros at the end. We'll see for 40 B point 40 comma 160. So this will become what? 400 into 40 plus 300 into 160. Okay. 4 4s are 16, so 16,000 plus 16 into 3, 48, 48,000. Okay, 48,000. 16,000 plus 48,000. So 16 plus 48. 16 plus 48 is what? 64,000. 64,000. 48 plus 16 is 64. So 64,000. Okay, we got 64,000. Now we will find for C and D point also. For C point, it is 20, 0, 20, 0. So 400 into 20. For 0, it will be, if 300 multiplied by 0, it will be 0 only. So 4 2s are 8, 8,000. You got 8,000. Okay. And for D point, D point is what? 20, 10. Sorry, 40, 10. D point is, this is A point, B point, C point, D point. Okay. D point is 40, comma 0. So 400 into 40. 400 into 40 is what? 16,000. Okay. So which one is maximum? Maximum is this B point. Okay. B point is maximum. For B point, Z value is maximum. Okay. So what will be the value of x and y? X and y value will be, x will be equals to 40, y will be equals to 160, and maximum value of z will be equals to 64,000. Okay, this will be answer. You have to write answer also. Okay. Okay, we'll move to next question. Okay. Integration of x cube plus x plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Okay, so this integration is easy. Okay, we'll do with partial fraction. Okay, So integration x cube plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay. So what we'll do little bit of adjustment first. X cube. Okay. Here it is minus 1. So if we take x common, there should be minus x. Then only we can take x common and it will be removed. So if we write minus x, here it is plus x. So we can write plus 2x, minus x plus 2x is plus x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Okay. So this will become what? This will become okay. So this will become what? X cube minus x will separate and x square minus 1 will separate plus 2x plus 1 x square minus 1. Okay. So this will become what? X we can take common, x square minus 1 x square minus 1 plus 2x plus 1 x square minus 1. Okay. So this will be cancelled and this integration will become x plus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now this is easy to integrate, but this one 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 is little bit difficult to integrate, but we will do with partial fraction. Okay. So what we can write now, x square minus 1 is what? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. So first we will do partial fraction of this term. So if we do partial fraction, it will be what? 2x plus 1. X square minus 1 will be x plus 1 x minus 1 is equals to a upon x plus 1 plus b upon x minus 1. We can write like this. Now we have to find the value of a and b. So first we will do LCM of this side. So 2x plus 1 x plus 1 x minus 1 will be equals to a x minus 1 plus b x plus 1 upon x minus 1 x plus 1. This both terms will be cancelled. Okay. Now we have to compare the numerator. So first we will put x is equals to 1. Okay. In the numerator we will put x is equals to 1. So if we put x is equals to 1, this term will be 0. This will become what? If we put x is equals to 1, this will become what? 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is equals to, okay, 3 is equals to, this will become what? 1 plus 1, 2. So b into 2. So b is equals to 3 by 2 we got. Okay, 3 by 2. Now we will put x is equals to minus 1. If you put x is equals to minus 1, then what will happen? Minus 1 if we put, this will become what? Minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to, this will become what? A into minus 2. This will become 0. Okay. So a we got as 1 by 2. Okay. A we got 1 by 2 and b we got 3 by 2. Okay. So now we will do integration. Now it is very easy. I will just remove this side. Okay, I will just remove this side. Okay, this much will be enough. Okay. So now this question will become like this. Okay, integration of x plus this term will become what? A is 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 by 2, 1 upon x plus 1, x plus 1 b is what? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 x minus 1. Okay. So now integration is very easy to do. Integration of x is what? Integration of x is x square by 2. X square by 2 plus 1 by 2. Integration of 1 upon x plus 1 is log x plus 1. Okay, log x plus 1 plus 3 by 2. Integration of x minus 1. 1 upon x minus 1 is log x minus 1. Log x minus 1. Okay. It is indefinite, so you have to write constant also, so plus c. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. Easy. Okay. So now section C is over. Okay. We'll do section E. Before that, we'll just drink water. Okay. So section E. Section E is most scoring part. Okay. In this section there will be case study, and each case study will be of 4 marks. So there will be 3 case study question. Okay. So we will do one by one. So first case study is this. Okay. The temperature of a person during an intestinal illness is given by function is equals to minus 0.1 x square plus mx plus 98.6, and x value is what? It lies between 0 to 12. Okay. And m is constant. M is some constant. Now what is asked? First question is the function differentiable in the interval 0 to 12? Justify your answer. So this function is differentiable? Yes, it is differentiable. Why it is differentiable? Because function f of x is a polynomial function. F of x is a polynomial function. Polynomial function. Okay. So polynomial functions are always differentiable. Okay. So f of x, that implies f of x is differentiable in the interval, is differentiable in the interval 0 to 12. Okay. So this is of 1 mark. Okay. First sub part is of 1 mark. So it is differentiable because it is a polynomial function, and polynomial functions are differentiable. If 6 is a critical point, now it is given that 6 is a critical point, then find the value of the constant m. Okay. It is given that 6 is critical point, and we have to find the constant m. So we'll do, so critical point, how we can find f dash x? So critical point are the point where f dash x is equals to 0. So 6 is the critical point, so f dash 6 will be equals to 0. Okay. First we will find f dash x of 6, f dash of 6. So f dash x, if we find, it will be what? Minus 2 into 0.1 x. Okay. X square, differentiation of x square is what? 2x. So but here it is minus 0.1 x square. So it will become what? Minus 2 into 0.1 x, okay, plus mx. So differentiation of mx will be only m, and differentiation of 98.6 will be 0. So f dash x value we have found. F dash x is what? F dash x is minus 2 into 0.1 is minus 0.2 x plus m, okay. Now we know that 6 is critical point. So f dash 6 is equals to 0. So f dash 6 will be equals to minus 0.2 into 6 plus m is equals to what? It is equals to 0. So 0.2 into 6 is minus 1.2 plus m is equals to 0. So m is equals to this minus 1.2 will go to other side, it will be plus. So 1.2. So m is equals to 1.2. Understood? So constant m is equals to 1.2. We will do third subpart also. Find the intervals in which the function is strictly increasing or strictly decreasing, okay. So for that we have to find f dash x, okay. F dash x we have already found in the last, it was what? Minus 0.2 x plus m is 1.2, so minus 0.2 x plus 1.2 plus 1.2, okay. So f dash x is greater than 0. If f dash x is greater than 0, then it will be increasing function. So minus 0.2 x is plus 1.2 is greater than 0, then it will be increasing. So minus 0.2 x greater than minus 1.2, okay. So x will be less than 1.2 upon 0.2, okay. You have to minus 0.2 will go to this side now. It will, you have to change the sign, inequality sign you have to change. So x is less than 6, okay. X is less than 6. So for x is less than 6, it will be increasing. So less than 6 means 0, this interval is what given 0 to 12, no? So 0 to 6 will be increasing. You can put square bracket, okay. 0 to 6. 0 to 6 it will be strictly increasing, and for 6 to 12 it is strictly decreasing, okay. Understood everyone? We will do case study 2 also, okay. So in case studies 2, what we have to find? We have to find area function, okay. First we have to find area function. So area is what? Area is length into breadth, okay. And we have to find in terms of x. Length is given as, the question length is given as 2x, breadth is given as 2y, okay. But we have to find area function in terms of x. So area, first this 2y, y will convert in terms of x, then only we will find area function in terms of x. So 2y is there. So instead of y, we can write what? From here we can, this equation is there, na? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 1. So from this equation we will find the value of y, okay. So y square by b square is equals to x 1 minus x square by a square, okay. So y square is equals to a square minus x square upon a square, and this b square will be also multiplied, b square. So for y we will do square root, so it will be b by a, square root of b square will be b and square root of a square will be a, and a square minus x square will be in square root, a square minus x square will be in square root. Okay. So y what we got, b by a square root of a square minus x square. Okay. So function, area function a we got, ax we got length into breadth, so length is 2x into breadth, so into 2 by b by a, root of a square minus x square. Okay. So 2 into 2 will be 4, so 4x b by a root of a square minus x square. Okay. So you got this. So this also you can write as 4b by a x root of a square minus x square. So this is the area function. Area function we got it. Okay. For critical value we have to differentiate. Okay, we have to find a dash x. Okay, so enough for today's class. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can scan this code. Okay then, thank you everyone.